Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with some bokeh action today and a few more bokeh pieces lined up. Like I've mentioned earlier, it's bokeh season. But just to add some variety, I'll try to mix it up with a few different themes in between. I'm in the mood for something blue today, and I'm also running out of ideas, so today's painting is actually inspired by two of my older paintings, which are on my favorite list. A Star Has Bloomed Among the Rust and The Untamed Wildflowers. If you look back, I think you'll be able to see the essence of both of these paintings birthed into this one. But I like how it turned out. Moody, a little lonely, mysterious, and dreamy all at once. I like to think that I finally found my signature style. A while ago, I've encountered this beautiful quote that says, "If you want to be an explorer, be prepared to get lost. If you want to be a warrior, be prepared to get broken. If you want to be a lover, be prepared to be both lost and broken." Which makes me wonder, does love always have to be so difficult? If that's the case, I would like to be a wildflower. I'll never be lost, for I will bloom wherever I go. I'll never be broken, as I'll never be at war. I'll be loved by the heavens, nurtured by the rainfall, kissed by the sun's warmth, and adored by the moonlight. To go along with the blue theme landscape, I've decided on blue cosmos flowers today. As usual, here are my findings on the origins and symbolism of the blue cosmos flowers. The name cosmos is derived from the Greek word for order or beautiful, reflecting the flower's elegant appearance. Initially, the blue cosmos showcased vibrant hues of white, pink, and purple only. However, through hybridization and cultivation, a blue variant was created, captivating the hearts of flower enthusiasts worldwide. The intense blue color of the flower makes it stand out among other flowers, evoking a sense of mystery and fascination. Often associated with serenity and tranquility, its delicate blue petals resemble the clear blue sky, conveying a sense of calmness and peace. It is also a symbol of unwavering devotion and loyalty. Its intense blue color represents the depth of emotions and the steadfast commitment that transcends boundaries. In spiritual context, the blue cosmos represents personal growth and spiritual enlightenment. The flower's outward-facing petals symbolize the journey of the soul towards higher consciousness and embody strength and resilience in the face of adversity. The flower's ability to thrive in various conditions, coupled with its striking beauty, represents the indomitable spirit that emerges from challenging circumstances. The rare and distinctive blue color highlights its symbolism of uniqueness and individuality. It encourages individuals to embrace their authentic selves and stand out from the crowd. The flower reminds us of the importance of embracing our own distinct qualities and celebrating our differences. Throughout history, the blue cosmos has held cultural significance in various societies. In ancient Aztec culture, the cosmos flower was associated with the sun and was believed to possess healing properties. It was used in rituals and ceremonies to honor the sun god and to seek spiritual guidance. I've also decided to insert myself into the painting today as the baby blue butterfly. Kind of just watching the world pass by, get lost among the blurry lights. I hope you like this painting. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
If I not appear to fools like mistress on the side, if I not appear to fools like mistress on the side. You haven't seen my man.